My name is Mr. Michael, and I'm the sports teacher at Kids Express. Today, we're going to be doing activities with balloons. So make sure you have some of those before you jump into the rest. Our first activity with the balloons is we're going to just practice keeping them off of the ground. So you can go ahead and get your balloon and try to keep it up in the air just like that. You could use both hands or try one hand. You could use one finger. If you're older, you could even try to use like your feet and be really tricky. So go ahead and do that for a few minutes. When you want to expand on it, go ahead and get a partner. And what you're going to do is you're going to take turns. I don't have a partner at my home, but what I would do is I would hit the balloon up and let them have a turn, and then they would hit the balloon back to me, and we would take turns and go back and forth. When you're ready for the next activity, what we're going to do is you need like a small racket or a paddle. I'm going to use a spatula for my kitchen. All right. So same thing as our first activity is you're going to get your balloon and try to keep it up off the ground with your spatula. Don't let it touch. Okay. And this is really great for all sorts of racket sports like racquetball or ping pong or tennis or badminton. It's really good for them to get practice with this kind of a tool. And another way that you could expand on this is just like our first one is if you have a partner. So you could try hitting the balloon over to them and then let them have a turn, and then they can hit it back to you, and you can go back and forth and try to keep it off the ground. Now, I have one more activity that I would like for you to try. You're going to need your couch, and you're going to need a balloon, and then some string and some tape. Okay, so I have my balloon right here, and I've taped it to my ceiling, and it's all ready to go. And it's a little ways away from my couch. So what you do in this activity is you let your students stand on the couch, and this activity is called Jump For It. And what you're going to do is you're going to jump and try to hit the balloon just like that. Okay? Now you want the balloon at a distance that it's not easy for your student to hit it, and you could also like adjust the height as you go or the distance from the couch, make it continually harder. So just make sure if you don't have tape that you have another way that you could do it, or if you don't have string, you could have an adult hold it just like this, and the student could still participate in that activity. Hope you have fun trying these things out, and